We got history. Got me feeling the nostalgia when you look at me. Thinking about.
Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Mine and my sister's channel. My sister's over there sleeping. But yeah, today we're playing what's it called again? Theme park, yeah. But my friend is doing my park, so yeah, he just made all this. Let me show you the whole entire thing. This is how it all looks. That's how it all looks. I know I can't, I don't have nothing to hold my computer, so yeah. So I might end it off right now because I don't have nothing to hold, but yeah. Check out my new intro.